Hey guys, what's up? Big girl Patriana here with Past Sucker Review Travel Edition. I'm currently right in the dead of winter here in New York City when it's just so windy and chilly. We have oily combo skin and really dry during winter time. Two items that I always bring during winter time. So first of all, this is the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream with 4.5% squalane and glacial glycoprotein. Very lightweight, hydrating, great for sensitive skin because there's no scent to it. Always use a clean finger. As always, guys, if you moisturize, you want to get like the ear, the neck. And last but not least, guys, I really love the Ultra Facial Barrier Balm with glacial glycoprotein, squalane, and ceramide. All these ingredients are very hydrating, moisturizing, and also help to strengthen your skin barrier, especially in the harsher winter months. What I would do, guys, I would go like around my nose and does not clog my pores at all. Just go to like the dry area around the nose. And last but not least is the lip. Good thing it's like in a balm version, but the balm I just like toss it in my purse and just carry with me if I needed it. Alright guys, so I'm definitely gonna be recommending these two babies here. Highly recommending the Kiehl's Ultra Facial line. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!